What's up guys, it's Will Productions here, and I'm here making another vlog, but this time I'm going to the Royals AAA team called the Omaha Storm Chasers. I'm going to watch a game of theirs, and I will show you guys what I do the whole entire day leading up to the game and at the game, so I'll see you guys probably a little bit later today before the game. Alright, I did not vlog very much today, but we made it to Omaha. There's my dad. We're heading to the Storm Chasers game, and yeah, I'll vlog a lot. Oh, it's not focusing on me. I'll vlog a lot more inside the stadium once we get there, but I'll show you guys once we get there. I don't know if you guys can see me the best right now, but we're about to get in line, and I'll see you guys inside of the stadium. We made it to inside the stadium. I'm gonna show you guys what my view is from my seats. We're sitting front row behind the visitors' dugout. Alright, we hit our seats. Sorry you guys cannot hear me very well. There's our seats. Awesome.
Your favorite game day treat. Experience the taste of fun every day at dippindots.com.
He's 12.
This side.
No. Bottom of the ninth. Here we go.
Tomorrow, right here at beautiful Water Park with your Omaha Storm Chasers.
I didn't catch it.
That's all.
Hit the ground. But it's okay.
Woo!
3-run walk-off home run. Wow. That was amazing. And I got a ball. So, awesome. Oh, yeah, awesome. So we just left the stadium, and as you guys saw, I got a ball from the dugout. We were sitting one row behind the opposing team's dugout. So at the end of the game, we asked one of the ball boys to give us one. He did. So that was awesome, and yeah, we're heading back to our car right now so we can go drive
3 hours.
3 hours back to where we live. So I will see you guys probably in the car or tomorrow when we arrive. Alright guys, it's the next day. I did not record last night because we got in the car and I just fell asleep. I just fell really fast, so I didn't record. I'm sorry, but I think you guys would understand why. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy, hit the like button. If this video can get to 8 likes, I'll do another vlog. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.